What's up, everybody? It's your boy Keep back for my new Ben 10 video. If you guys love my first video of Ben 10, you will like this new Ben 10 video. But before we get into this awesome video, if you guys are new, you can subscribe, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and Snapchat, and my second Instagram of videos. So here we go. And I still have Kevin Cole to Ben 10 new call and saving that for my new Ben 10 about Ben 10 new call will be Kevin Cole from the old TV show and series because Kevin Cole is green and black and Ben jacket is green, so I decided to bring something different about Ben 10 new Cole will be Kevin Cole because it's green and his jacket is green too. So hey, that's something new every day. Should I pick red or green, guys? Well, I pick green because I'm the new Ben 10 anyway, so do this and oh yeah, baby, that's I'm talking about. It's so bad when it's not time, then it will be so green at night. Wow. KB hopes Warning Boards will watch my new Ben 10 and say, okay, his new Ben 10 is at our Warning Boards studios because I know maybe they will watch it or not. And I will tell you guys something I want to tell you. Just a little update for my new Ben 10 is when Bud aliens coming to Earth to look for the watch, Ben will find the watch and the Bud aliens will have to kill Ben Tennyson. And you guys are saying, that's dog? Wow, it's man below, but dog. I know you guys will love this exciting news is my new Ben 10 Tissue 20 is coming this weekend or next week because I hope it's this weekend or next week. What you guys think? Hit the like button and comment so all you guys excited for my new Ben 10 because KB is so exciting. My plan is dropping my new Ben 10 Tissue 20 this weekend or next weekend, and then I will release the full 20 of my new Ben 10 like before or on Christmas Day, and I know you guys will be so excited if the full 20 drop on Christmas Day because I say okay, maybe this should be a awesome Christmas present to give my fans and everyone this. And I'm not going to like that. I like that idea too, like before or on Christmas Day, the whole 20 of my new Ben 10 because will come out next year of January, so let's go. That is it for my new Ben 10 video. So guys, does my second Ben 10 make you more excited for the Tissue 20 this weekend or next week? And we will see you guys whenever the Tissue 20 drops for my new Ben Ben 10. Peace.